don't remember seeing that island out there before, do you? That little rock island? I don't. Something looks different. Huh? Don't it? Come on, Hellraiser. I don't remember that island being out there like that. Yep, it has. What is it? Wow, that's crazy. Crazy. That's probably why it looks so different. Stuff's just washed out down here. What's that red thing down there? Is that a trash or something? Wow, that's crazy. Took a doogie woogie, didn't you? Took a doogie. Come on back this way, goober. Come on this way. Here's the boom boom water hole. Gosh, dog. Come on up there, goober. Well, yeah, you might be right. Let's go up this way. Let's go. Up this way. Come on through here. Go easy. Come on, you can do it. There you go. There you go. Well, what was it? What was it? Huh. Probably trash. There easy. Yep. Very crazy. Crazy, easy. Crazy. Might be a sleeping bag. cold out here. Ooh. That's crazy, them chairs. Well, not chairs, but table is getting flooded like that.
Up here, I'm wondering what in the world they're for.
Where? Oh, I don't know. I've never noticed that. Ooh-wee. Woman, you had crap, didn't you? Had crap, didn't you? Scoot that bunghole. That bunghole must be scooted. Here, easy. Come on back this way. Here you go. Come on back this way. Here you go. That's why it looks so different. Everything's just washed out. Like even the little creek beds. Stall. That's crazy. My hand's cold. But you know, we did get a lot of rain though. Ooh, mercy. Come on, hairy butt. Come on. I'm sure. Where are you going, woman? You gotta go tinky. Oh, easy. Come on, buckaroo, it's cold. Well, you fine, goober. Hike that leg, we gotta go, it's cold. Come on. Come on up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Cold. Come on. Come on, easy. Oh. Woman, it's cold. I know you ain't got a tinkle anymore. Whoa, careful. What in the world's that? Come on. Come on up here.